Aloha and welcome back. My name's Shane and welcome to Singapore Changi. I'm absolutely obsessed with this airport, so if you'd like me to visit a part of Changi, let me know in the comments and I'll make a stop for you on a future visit. But today, we're leaving this all behind and we're heading off to Japan. Tokyo ni ikimasu. That's right, I'm heading to Tokyo, and later this morning I'm flying ANA on their 787-900 premium economy cabin through to Tokyo Haneda. ANA operate from Terminal 1, which is the most convenient to the Jewel. Not all airlines give premium economy passengers access to their lounge, however ANA do, and at Changi it's the SATS lounge. This lounge isn't my favourite, so I'm catching the air train over to T3 and visiting the Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer Gold Lounge instead for some proper food. Changi has two gold lounges, T2 and T3. The T3 option also has shower facilities, so if you're connecting in Singapore, this will probably be a better choice for you. You can access this lounge if you're a Gold Star Alliance member travelling in economy or premium economy on a Star Alliance airline also. The lounge is stocked with tea from Singapore luxury tea house TWG. You'll also find beer and wine dispensers as well. The shower rooms here are clean and contemporary. And a quick tip too, the ANA lounges in Tokyo can be horrifically busy in the evening with all the connecting flights heading through to the US. You can expect wait times longer than Disneyland, so if you're wanting a shower, really make sure that it's your priority as soon as you land. Today's 6.5-hour flight through to Tokyo is on a 7-year-old Boeing 787 Dreamliner, registration Juliet Alpha 890 Alpha. Premium economy is arranged in a 232 config and situated directly over the wing. Unfortunately for me, I lost the battle for the window seat today, so I've got aisle seat 15C. These ones actually aren't too bad. I actually think they might fit my feet, which is a nice surprise. These headsets look okay, but always bring your own noise cancelling headphones if you have them as well. The TV screen pulls out from the handrest. The IFE comes in several languages, and there are about 40 English language movies loaded, which should keep you busy, as well as a range of other Japanese variety shows as well. The sky map looks pretty good, but it's not all that interactive. And now for a quick loo review. And yes, it's still a gross plain toilet. But with some Japanese surprise buttons. Woohoo, they fit. Option A, salmon flakes, minced chicken, scrambled eggs over steamed rice. Or option B, stewed chicken and chestnuts with chicken rice. Oishi, I think I've definitely made the right choice here. A lot of the sides on Japanese airlines often have fish ingredients included. If you're like me and you don't like fish on planes, perhaps order a vegetarian meal. And before we descend below the clouds into Tokyo, let me wrap up this flight review. Firstly, the cost. A one-way premium economy fare between Singapore and Haneda will set you back around 1,369 Singapore dollars. A return fare around 2,359 Singapore dollars. However, I jumped on a United Airlines marketed flight for 1,456 Singapore dollars. This flight was returned from Singapore through to Los Angeles and ticketed with United. And the LAX to Tokyo route is flying the new United Premium Plus product. So if you're wanting to explore Japan on your way to the United States, perhaps consider a codeshare route like this and building in a stopover into your ticket. This seat isn't the most visually appealing, but it makes up for it in comfort, space, and has loads of padding. One thing to note is that this isn't the newest ANA Premium Economy product. ANA operates an updated product on their newer 787-10s, as well as the Flying Honu, which is their A380s, and some of their 777 fleet as well. However, for the price and the additional comfort over economy, this was an easy decision to book. Lounge access is included, which is a great premium addition. In-flight dining was good, but not a huge step up from economy from what I could see, and if you're a fishy person like me, you might want to consider pre-ordering a vegetarian option. The menu with pictures that ANA use is a great help, particularly if you're a fussy eater. Now logistics. Another nice little touch with ANA is that your luggage is tagged with priority tags, which hopefully gets you out of the airport nice and quick. ANA operates its fleet with Japanese transport precision, so you can expect on-time performance of around 84% with this flight. My flight itself arrived 34 minutes ahead of schedule. If you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels.